Today, Chris Easom, Sports Complex Manager for the Peoria Sports Complex, is joining us to talk about some exciting things going on in Peoria and with spring training. Tell us a little bit about the spring training season in general, Chris.
Well, first of all, thanks for having me. Spring training is definitely an interesting time. We're going into our 19th season at the Sports Complex, which is really awesome. This year we have 30 games. 16 are hosted by the Padres, 14 by the Mariners. So we're looking for another great season.
That's excellent. The Sports Complex has some really cool promotions going on throughout the season. Can you tell us what some of those are?
Yeah, you know, over the last few years, with the new facilities opening up, we know we have to keep the fans engaged in what we're doing out there. So what better way to do that than offer promotions throughout the week as much as we can. For instance, Mondays we have our family 4-pack, which gets your family of 4 in for $30. It gets you tickets to the game, it gets you hot dogs, sodas, and chips.
All of that for $30?
Yeah, it's really
That's
an awesome
fantastic.
deal. Yep. Wednesdays we have $2 hot dogs. Tuesdays and Thursdays, which is new this year, we're offering an all-you-can-eat buffet out in left field, which it's a pilot program for us, but we want to see how it takes, and then maybe next year we do it every day. One of our more special days is Sundays, and that's our kids' days. We started doing that about 2 years ago, and when we took a look at our promotions 2 years ago, we decided we didn't have enough for the kids. So when the kids come out, they get to stand out on some lucky kids get out to stand out on the field with the players when they do the anthem. We even let a couple kids announce up in the PA booth during the game.
Oh, that's very
really
exciting.
Cool day. And then after the game, they run the bases.
What a great way to get kids involved in the game.
Yep.
and get them excited about baseball. This year, there's an interesting situation with the Mariners heading over to Japan in the middle of spring training to play the Oakland A's. What kind of effect do you think that might have on the Mariners spring training in Peoria?
You know, it might be a little early to tell right now. I think it's definitely going to have an effect. Hopefully it's not a negative one. You know, it's a cool thing when the teams go overseas and play games like this, and those 2 games are actually the first 2 games of the MLB season. So I think we'll still be okay. I'm sure it'll have an effect in the end, though, outside of the baseball world.
That's exciting, and we'll have more information about the P83 party on the Peoria Chamber website. Chris, thanks for joining us today. We appreciate your time and for giving us an update on the Sports Complex.